The leaks regarding the iPhone 18 and iPhone 18 Pro Max are really picking up momentum. We are getting more and more information from credible sources about the next iPhone from Apple. Today, I have some of the latest information on the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. So let's get started. First of all, we are getting a brand new color option this year, and that color is dark burgundy. Yes, a burgundy red color is finally coming. This color looks absolutely stunning in the renders we have seen so far, and we can only wait to see how it looks in real life. This new burgundy color will be available for both the iPhone 18 Pro and the iPhone 18 Pro Max, but it will not be available for the iPhone Fold. The iPhone Fold, on the other hand, will be available in just silver and black color options. Other color options that we might also see this year include copper brown and purple. Now, let's talk about the front of the phone. As mentioned in our previous video, the punch hole display is finally happening this year. Many people were disappointed after hearing that the Dynamic Island was going away. However, Dynamic Island is not going anywhere. Apple is simply making it smaller. You can think of it as a dynamic dot that sits on the top left side of your iPhone. All of the Dynamic Island features that exist today will still be available with this new dot style design. According to Digital Chat Station, which has a pretty solid track record when it comes to Apple leaks, this is going to be the final design of the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max. This clearly aligns with all the other leaks and rumors that are currently circulating. Another source, Jeff Poo, has also mentioned the same thing regarding the iPhone 18 Pro. Since there will be no iPhone 18 model this year, that means there will be no traditional Dynamic Island at all in 2026. The iPhone Fold will also use a similar punch hole cutout in the display. John Prosser has explained the iPhone 18 Pro design pretty well. You can check out his video from the description. In his video, he clearly explains that the Dynamic Island is shrinking and moving, but it is still staying. The display size on the iPhone 18 Pro is expected to be 6.3 inches, while the iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature a larger 6.9-inch display. The back design is not changing much and will remain very similar to the current iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Apple is also expected to use aluminum once again for the iPhone 18 Pro series. When it comes to the chipset, Apple is expected to use the industry's first 2nm A20 chip, which should deliver some truly impressive performance gains. RAM is expected to stay the same at 12GB, and we might also see true satellite connectivity on the iPhone 18 Pro series. This would mean that users could access internet and phone services via low Earth orbit satellites. This particular rumor is still in very early stages, so it should definitely be taken with a grain of salt. The cameras are expected to receive a massive upgrade this year. We are likely going to see a variable aperture lens, and many leaks suggest that this feature will be exclusive to the Pro Max model. With a variable aperture, the phone will be able to control how much light enters the lens, similar to a professional camera. This should result in much better depth of field and an improved bokeh effect. Additionally, it is being reported that Apple is removing the capacitive touch feature from the camera control and replacing it with a pressure-sensitive button instead. This change is expected to help reduce manufacturing costs. So, that is pretty much everything we know so far about the iPhone 18 Pro leaks and rumors. I will share more credible information as soon as it becomes available. Make sure you are subscribed so you never miss any updates, and with that said, I will catch you in the next one.